Hey there, it's Ashley from WTI. I am in my car where it smells so fresh and so clean. The Armor All wipes work perfectly in my car and they're so easy to use. They have a opening right here that seals up when you're done, just like baby wipes. I really like these because they're lint-free. It cleans up all sorts of yucky stuff in my car with kids spilling stuff, candy, whatever it is. It also takes out stains from my leather and it doesn't leave any type of greasy residue like some other cleaners. Armor All has been around for a very long time. They are a tried and true, very trusted brand, and I would highly recommend these. I love it because I put these right in my center console and I can easily grab them anytime I need to wipe up something, or if I'm going to the car wash, I grab these out and they retain their moisture really well. So if you are wanting to have something to clean your car that is easy, efficient, smells good, then try these out. But that's just my point of view.